Hello peeps, in this video I'm going to be showing a DVO Onyx DC D1 dual crown downhill fork. There's not that many videos that I've seen online on DVO suspension, so this is going to be a cool one, especially this one. This particular one is a dual crown fork for DH biking. I've only seen one video on this particular fork, especially since I got this one in green. I'll show you when we open it. Let's open it right now, see what I'm talking about here. Okay, now this is for my downhill Kona rig in carbon. Oh yeah, in this box it comes with this guard so that like when dirt flies and everything, you know, for you mount it on the bicycle fork. Mounted on the fork. And then it comes with let's see, this thing right here. I guess you go online and see what it is. I don't know what this is. I did not look through this box before I made this video, so this is a surprise to me. Get product info, product registration, owner's manual, setup guide, service guide. Cool. And then I got, oh, this must be some stuff for the fork. Yep. And I got a DVO sticker. Cool. These are fun. And I like the DVO business design. It's pretty cool. And then we got this fork. Check this out. Check this thing out. See this? This is what I'm talking about. Dual crown. And yeah, it is pretty big if you can see it. See that? Let's see. Let's get it out of here. Unwrap this thing. Hold on, excuse me, people. All right, look at this. Look at this. Check it out. This is I'm gonna have to do it this way. Sorry. Check out this fork. It's so cool. Love it. See that? The green design right here. This green thing. Paint. It's a great, excellent paint job. It looks outstanding. Now I don't know how this performs yet. This is the first time I've ever bought DVO suspension. Let me lay it down. Yeah, this is a very good looking fork. I do like it. It comes with this. I like this kind of brass gold color here. Yeah, this is awesome. Sweet. So yeah, I'm gonna be hooking this up to my Kona carbon frame, and I'll go from there for another video. I'll show you how this looks when it's installed. All right, have a great day, peeps. That's all. Later.